Today we are looking at the Hotpoint WMFUG742P washing machine in white. The Hotpoint WMFUG742P smart washing machine uses cutting-edge smart technology to deliver outstanding wash results in your home. Smart features expect better wash performance and cut down on the amount of energy and water you use thanks to the WMFUG742P's innovative smart features. Delivering maximum fabric care and rinsing performance, the WMFUG742P uses auto and to recognize the size of a load and manage water levels and drum action for optimum results. Speed and automatically raises the water temperature and increases movement in the drum to get the most out of detergent. Any excess residue is removed at the end of the cycle for better results. The performance and feature can intensify the wash, optimizing the effectiveness of the wash to deal with more stubborn stains. Bigger drum for more clothes, perfect for the whole family. This Hotpoint washing machine features a 7 kg capacity drum to help you get more laundry done in one go. It will spin your clothes at a fast 1400 RPM, removing most of the water so that they dry more quickly and are ready to wear sooner. A front-loading design allows for easy insertion and removal of your garments, and the door opens through 150 degrees for even better accessibility. Powerful cleaning cycles. You'll love the diverse and dynamic program selection available on the WMFUG742P washing machine. Choose from anti-allergy, anti-stain, auto clean, eco cycle, ultra delicates, whites, baby, bed and bath, delay timer, intensity options, will mark platinum care and fast wash 30 washing cycles to address all kinds of different laundry scenarios. You'll save loads of time and effort with the Fast Wash 30 program, which refreshes lightly soiled pieces of clothing within 30 minutes. Special abilities. The anti-stain function is ideal for tackling the 20 most persistent stains, deep cleaning your clothes without your having to use high temperatures and risk damaging fabrics. Those who suffer from sneezes and sniffles will love the anti-allergy program. It combines high temperatures, 60 degrees, and an extra rinse stage to remove up to 99.9% of major allergens including dust, house mites and pollen. This appliance features the Allergy UK seal of approval for peace of mind. The WMFUG742P also takes great care of your woolen articles, using a low spin speed and extra gentle rotation to minimize interfiber friction. It's why the machine sports the Woolmark Platinum Care mark. Convenient and eco-friendly. Use the great timer delay function to get the most flexible performance out of your WMFUG742P washing machine. It lets you delay the wash for a set period of time to commence washing when it's convenient for you. Set it up to start at night when energy costs are lower, or simply to fit in with your fast-paced lifestyle. Use the Eco Cycle to clean your clothes properly while using less energy and minimizing your carbon footprint, another great feature that's earned the machine an A++ energy efficiency rating. Save time, money and effort with the impressive Hotpoint WMFUG742P smart washing machine.